Good night. Yes, this is weird because I'm starting this vlog at 11:02 on December 12th. So December 12th, 11:02, I'm all dressed up and I've started this vlog and I think we are going for eating an ice cream in 5 degrees centigrade outside, which is roughly 30 degrees, 35 degrees. Um, yeah, roughly 35, 40 degrees Fahrenheit probably. And my mom and dad want us to take outside for ice cream. So I have no idea what's going on. We both don't have any idea what's going on. So let's go. We have been asked to just dress up.
And I've been asked to put lipstick. That's why.
No idea, literally. We know that tomorrow is our 3 years anniversary. So something is cooking. That's what we think. So she's getting ready at almost midnight. I'm almost ready.
At this woman's sweater and jeans having up.
Let's see what's cooking. We are here at the ice cream shop at almost midnight. Let's go get it. बताओ क्या खाना है? Look what we got! You want me to open? This is brownie.
He got, what is this? This is
Brownie.
chocolate, Belgian chocolate brownie, fudge mix kind of a thing.
And this is
Bless you.
center treat. So
And
this
this
is
is-
expected to have a core of dark chocolate.
Yeah, something like this. So let's see. Take a bite.
How you feel eating ice cream in ice?
It's freezing cold outside and we're eating ice cream at
What's the time? Yeah. It's 11:30 almost.
Brownie.
Not bad. It has a center of chocolate inside.
ऐसी होती तो कट जाती मुंह से
Some crunchy things.
मुंह से ही नहीं कट रही है
we are not even able to bite this
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, we're just biting the outer part.
ये रिकॉर्ड करो ये रिकॉर्ड करो eating ice in the form of ice cream.
It's good, not bad.
Yeah, what tasty? Brownie.
We're having ice cream for now and then let's see where they're gonna take us to kill some time. Let's see. Okay, so he just offered us something to taste and he just made it.
क्या है इसमें कौन सा है?
So this is Sunday. It has black currant, vanilla.
सरप्राइज वैनिला नहीं
Okay.
सरप्राइज चोको चिप्स छप्पन भोग
Okay, this looks
अपन मोबाइल
delicious.
गेम भी है
पाइनएप्पल क्रश हर से चोको सीधा
You wanna take a bite? Good.
It's good. ऊपर जो भी सिरप डाला है वो टेस्टी है तो
कैमरा की वजह से
He added some yellow thingy, which is very delicious. I don't know what this is, but it's way too good. The yellow thingy. And there's some wafers and all this stuff. And he's adding
Here
some more.
comes more Hershey syrups.
Yeah, some more chocolate syrup. It's almost gonna come down. Yeah, there it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Now enjoy your feast. A Sunday on a Sunday.
That was a PJ joke. Okay, so let's see.
मैं पकड़ लेना.
The yellow thing has made it way too sweet now, but still it's very good. The combination is good. I think, yeah, you can see the black purple thing. That is blackcurrant and strawberry and chocolate and all this stuff. Yeah, not bad.
It's SST Food Alliance over here. Daily dose. We had our ice creams, and now after we have had our ice creams, we will go. Thank you, Ria. Thank you, Uncle. So we are off to the next station now. Let's see what else is going on down tonight. Okay.
बच्चों ने चांदी करा दी.
So let's go. Next stop, some pani puri. Not sure where are we gonna find at 11:30 in the night pani puri. Dad knows where. So let's see. Okay, so apparently we cannot get pani puri. We searched at 5 places, but he is no more there. I guess his supplies were over because he typically stays longer than other people. Because his pani puri are very famous, probably his supplies were over and we couldn't get any today. But we are in for a special treat because now she's having fun from a very famous pan shop. So Papa is getting fun for us. This is our personal chauffeur who takes us around the city.
Hello, sir.
So we are waiting for her pan now.
Yep.
And probably then we'll head back home. And it's almost 11:40.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what pan is. I don't know what wheat this is, but it has some sweet and some betel nut and all the mint and all the stuff. So let's see it.
Eat it completely. Come on. डाल दो अंदर पूरा.
She could barely fit in her mouth. It's good.
चलो. थोड़ी बैक कर लो, आगे निकल जाएगी.
So looks like she's thoroughly enjoying it. What?
I'm going.
We are heading back home. घर जा रहे हैं ना अब? We are heading back home now, and we'll go for pani puri some other time. She won't be able to speak for a while now. Look at this entry into the romantic setting.
There's something going
Where's
on.
Mama?
Hi, Tanya.
वर्तिका भाभी नहीं रहना वही मम्मा
ये भाभी की बहना था पूरी.
नहीं कुछ नहीं मैंने नहीं मम्मी ने किया.
Thank you so much. Sometime.
मुझे
केक तो दिखा ही नहीं।
अरे तो तुमने देखा क्या? सिर्फ कैंडल में घुसते केक तो देखा था।
लाइट जलाओ।
Look at this.
लाइट क्यों जला रहे हो? ये मंदिर में रख दे कि तू मैच बस। चलो काटो
Look at
काटो।
this setting.
आदि को रोक रखा है। 12
Almost 12 o'clock. 3-year anniversary celebration. Surprise, surprise.
इसका कोई गाना नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज कर सकता हूँ, विश यू हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी में यही कह सकते हैं।
Cake looks good. Wow. It is chocolate truffle. It's truffle. I think we are eating chocolate truffle after a very, very long time. And I guess this is the plan the whole time. So we were stopped outside for roughly 40 minutes just being on the road.
She asked me to put lipstick on at 11:30 in the night.
So anyways, that's it. Lot more to come tomorrow morning.
ठंडी रुका हुआ था।
Okay.
पेन का है, पेन लाओ पहले।
ये लो पिन। चॉकलेट फटी क्या?
इसके नीचे आओ, नीचे आओ।
चॉकलेट अरे इसे क्यों?
इसके नीचे आओ।
नहीं
इसके नीचे आओ।
फंस जाएगा तो। Ready?
And here comes
Sorry.
my मेहनत।
Very nice.
Okay.
My मेहनत।
चॉकलेट ऐसी लो क्योंकि हमने एक बार जिसमें चॉकलेट भरी थी वो फुलाते नहीं
कोई नहीं।
जाने ने फुलाया तो मेहनत करी तो फूट गया।
Okay.
आ जाओ वर्तिका।
Very
Look at
nice.
our room.
लाइट जलाए?
Yes. Full of balloons and
ये सारी वर्तिका भाभी की
decorations.
मेहनत है।
Look at this.
सब भाभी की मेहनत है। नहीं कुछ नहीं।
Very nice.
ये
Thank you so
देखो।
much, Bhabhi.
सब भाभी की मेहनत है।
This is
बलून
beautiful.
फुलाने की कविता की मेहनत है। दोपहर में
बाहर जो फोड़ा वो
क्या
मेरी मेहनत
करती है? ये तो आके जब भागी भागी जा रही है यही सब में लगे थे।
बाहर जो फोड़ा वो मेरी मेहनत थी।
हाँ बाहर से फोड़ा।
फोड़ी वाली मेहनत।
भाभी को
Thank you, Bhabhi. Thank you.
और अभी तुमने मेन चीज तो एक देखी नहीं। कार्ड तो देखो भाभी।
हाँ, वो खोल के देखना है।
कार्ड मम्मा की तरफ से है तो मेरी तरफ से बट बनाया तो भाभी ने है। जो बात है
So this is the card.
हैंडमेड कार्ड है। खुद बनाया भाभी ने।
Conceptualized by mom, created by Bhabhi.
मुझे भी एक बार
Look at this buffet. No, look, there's bouquet.
Buffet. Yeah.
This is all very pretty. The card is super awesome.
ये लो भाई, कुशन कवर।
So this guy over here is giving us throw pillow covers.
Well, this is for brother because he said love you brother, so you take it.
ये देखो ना ये खोलो।
कुशन में बोला तो।
And this is like a throw pillow cover.
Yeah.
And this is cute.
This is for both.
Yes.
Even that is nice.
Yeah. And this one is very nice too.
This is for brother.
ये भैया की बर्थडे पे और ये दोनों की एनिवर्सरी।
So this is for my birthday. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this is for our anniversary.
Yeah. It's very sweet. Look at the drawing.
So we are gonna take this and put it in our house, and
And
then
the patio pillow.
Yep. Oh, this is nice. Marvel would have been here, these balloons would have been gone by now. So we are gonna go enjoy some of this, and tomorrow morning we I don't know what's planned for tomorrow, but we are gonna go to amazing restaurant that we already went. We already did a video for it, the kitchen tour of that restaurant, the dhaba, the Lace Dhaba, and tomorrow we are going back there again with him, and we are gonna have fun again, and and then we haven't planned anything else for tomorrow, but let's see. And then Mossy is gonna come on 14th, which is day after tomorrow. So then 15th and 16th, and then on 16th we are having party. So there's so much going on, and then we are going to Siliguri. Oh my God, there is so much going on. So stay tuned to all these videos. This is not ending now. We just started it. This is gonna continue till our anniversary continues. So stay tuned, guys, till the end of this video.